When we use a WordPress theme, the theme developers will likely update the theme from time to time with new features, bug fixes, or just to keep up with existing WordPress updates. When we edit a theme and then update it, we lose all of the changes that we made. To avoid this problem, we create child themes. A child theme lives in a separate theme than the folder of the theme we want to customize. Whatever files or parts of the site we want to customize from the theme, we copy and paste those files into our child theme folder and update them there. Our child theme will look and work exactly as the main or parent theme, except in the areas that we customize. To make our child theme, we're going to have to work again with our FTP software. We have ourselves logged in here, and on the left-hand side, we see the WordPress that we downloaded, and on the right, inside of our public HTML folder, we have our WordPress install. Let's navigate into our WP content folder, then again into themes, and we'll find the folder for the theme that we're going to make a child theme of. We're going to be making a child theme of the 2013 theme. To do this, I'm first going to come back into my Finder and navigate to where I had downloaded WordPress locally. I'll go into my WP content folder, into themes, and then here I'm going to make a new theme folder which I'll name 2013 Child. Inside of our child theme folder, our first step will be to create the style.css file. You could copy this file from the project downloads and paste it into your new child theme folder. If we open this up, we could see that we have the name for our new theme, the URL, a short description, the author and author URL, and then most importantly, we have a variable for template which tells us the name of the folder for which this is a child theme. Once we've done all of the comments that we need to create our theme, we'll come below and we'll use the @import rule to import in the style sheets from the 2013 theme. If we did not do this step, we would still have a child theme. However, that child theme would be lacking all of the styles from the parent theme that we want it to inherit. Now that we have this set, we could close the file and come back into our Finder. Next, we're going to copy in the screenshot.png file, which also is available in the project downloads. This little graphic is what will show up in our admin area when we go to activate the theme. Now that we have this done, we can come back into our FTP software, navigate to where we had stored our theme, and then upload our 2013 child theme into our themes folder on the live server. Once that's done, we can come back to our site under Appearance and Themes. We should find our 2013 child theme, which we could activate. Now, when we visit our site, we should see something that looks exactly like the 2013 theme. However, if we make changes to our child theme, they won't be overridden when a new update comes out for the 2013 theme. Let's take a look in the next video at how we could begin to do some small customizations here.